What's up, Black Queen?
That's my intro. What's up, Black Queens? What's up, Black Kings? It's your girl, Black Queen Azari. I got her.
Karaya, period.
That's trying to start my intro, no. And I got her.
Soraya, period.
And I got me. Period, poo. Alright, so
Today, y'all, we finna be doing the
Peanuts
mukbang. Y'all, everybody been asking us on TikTok and sometimes. No, y'all, we're gonna ask some questions on our Instagram so y'all can see us do some. Well, on Snapchat, ask us to do some Q&A questions because probably y'all gonna do a Q&A on the next video.
Okay, y'all.
So y'all, we're gonna sit this right here and we're gonna start eating our peanuts. So we have a whole bowl of peanuts. Everybody, scoot up.
A little too much peanuts, so I ate some in the car.
Yeah, so y'all ready to eat?
This is the bag.
Hold on. What we y'all? We're gonna sit it right here.
Okay,
sit it right here. Because I already need to get some.
Yeah.
So
I can get some from right there.
We're gonna talk.
Okay. Alright, so y'all. Ooh.
How was y'all day?
Ooh,
Y'all, we've been doing good, y'all. We had a lot of people at our house today. Everybody was kind of getting their hair done.
This is a peanut.
That's how it is. Everybody was getting their hair done.
Look
we
at
had
this.
a party. We was playing with the dogs. Hot. Her sister got off on 11.
My sister, and we was playing with my dog, and we was playing with their dog.
Yeah.
She doing good. We had fun today, y'all. I'm sleeping over because it's me and her birthday and hers. But her birthday is in one more day. Ours is like
an hour.
Hers is mine is today. Hers is
yesterday.
Yeah, hers is yesterday. So we just say it was both all
It was all of our birthdays.
We got a song going too.
What?
And we can dance too.
Sorry, your mama wants you. Soraya?
Cousin me.
Close the door. You. Close the door. Close the door. Knock on the door when you come in.
That was hot.
Yeah, it is hot. Our next video, should we do try not to laugh with water?
Yes. Yo, I'm burning tears right now. That was so hot.
Why is it so hot?
It was real.
Oh. Wait, let me show y'all something.
I ate my.
For what we say, y'all, these peanuts are so hot. They not playing. Oh, it burnt. It burnt between my lips.
Y'all, if y'all stay in Palm Bay or Cocoa.
Well, if y'all stay in Florida, you don't have to tell them where we live.
If y'all stay in Palm Bay or Cocoa. Quiet. Mom said come here.
Okay, tell her I'm coming.
Mama. Y'all, so they finna leave. Well, not all the way, but they want me to come in.
So y'all, I'm gonna be back. I'm finished talking, but
Where are your peanuts from?
Right? We're gonna
I always been creeped out about this one. I'm finna go and leave y'all real quick. So bye.
people. Go in my room. Get out my room.
No, she told me I get 1 peanut.
Y'all, get out.
Comment if boys was in here while we was gone.
Go,
I think so.
Go. Y'all, this is my little cousin.
Need a peanut. Get him 1 peanut.
Oh my God. Get out now.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Everybody's gonna ask for something.
Come back in.
Oh, please.
See?
Get 1.
1. Stop coming here.
I got 4.
Give me that. Give me that.
Sorry, you gonna stay out there.
She got stuck in the dough.
Come on, Soraya.
Y'all, Soraya got stuck in the freaking dough. Huh? So Soraya closed the door and she got stuck in it.
Where's your purse?
Huh?
Go get your purse before somebody steal your money.
Yeah, go get it.
So y'all, we finna finish
Y'all,
talking.
lock the door. I knocked 1 time. Just to get down
So y'all,
okay,
go follow us on TikTok. Mine is Thick Butterfly. It will be in the link in the description.
I don't know myself.
And my cousin's is Bad Kid.
Becky.
The heck? No. Go follow her on TikTok. It will be in the description. Go follow my cousin on TikTok.
Period.
Oh, that'll be in the link in the description too.
Y'all,
These
this
are hot.
Let's see. Let me show y'all.
Dang, so why you gonna drop it?
Guys, show them.
Y'all, we turning it up because my uncle, he is throwing a party for his nieces and nephews that passed their grades, and y'all, I passed.
I passed, period. I was in kindergarten, but I'm in 1st grade. And we got a song going, period. Oh,
It's this one girl, Jalea. Please go follow her. I'm gonna go subscribe to her YouTube channel. Overland. Y'all thought? Open the door. You got your purse? You know where it's at?
I do, but
Go get it so nobody will see your money.
I think he's in here. It's under the bed.
Now let me stop. We ain't gonna post it video. There we go.
No, get out. Get out.
Get out! No. When we ask for your ice cream and stuff, that's what you told us no.
Stop pushing those baby. I never touched right now.
Oh, y'all.
Oh, yeah. One. Oh, yeah. Dang, cause I see bad ones. How them baby? How you get acid? Move. I got one. Yeah. No, wait.
Get out my spot. Y'all just throwing away these peanuts like, dang. Y'all, this is my baby cousin Zari. What's wrong?
Y'all can see them drunk hot. The reason why they hot, cause they got.
Sorry, stop being loud.
See?
Stop.
Period. We still doing the video.
Sorry, move. This is my little baby cousin. She's asleep. She don't feel too good. She's tired.
Huh? I found it. I forgot where I put it.
Put my change in your purse, cause I don't want nobody to steal it. So y'all, got my little cousin.
You could put in my purse. Oh, and me and her got the same name.
Zari and Zari. Let me see Shonda. Thank you. Y'all, that's my auntie, y'all. Okay.
Y'all, if y'all need some lotion, if y'all actually looking white, y'all can get it from my mom.
Just sit the purse right there.
You gotta ask before you taste something.
Yeah.
Because he could pay attention to my purse. My purse empty.
Oh,
You know
who put peanut shells in there? Oh, y'all been eating it.
I haven't even really been eating. That's that little brat. No.
Because I had it. Okay.
Comment down below. Should we do an ASMR video?
Oh, yeah. Let's see what.
No talking.
We gotta make sounds.
Mm-hmm.
That actually sounds good.
Why are you staring at me?
I don't know. It's the reason why I stare at you. 'Cause I never seen you before like that.
Like what?
Like I never seen you that good. Every time I'm
What? What?
get 2 at a time. Get 2 at a time, see.
And you on a peanut tank?
That's why they go. You get 2 at a time.
Who?
Her.
I had one.
Who's crying? Nobody.
No.
I saw Sarah's crying. Why? Why she will cry?
Man, why all y'all coming in
So
here?
what my mom's talking about.
Your mom was talking to me.
Sarah, go get in the tub.
I'm eating.
What's that?
Nothing.
Peanuts.
Let me get some.
No.
No.
Why everybody keep
I
asking?
want 2 of them.
You
We
get
barely
one?
got some. Can I get 2? You can get 1. Here you go. I get another one. No.
No.
Please try.
No.
Huh, come on. That's all you get. Bye. Bye, Mia.
See you later.
Bye.
We not finna lock it. Bye.
Y'all can stop yelling at me because I'm trying to do something for y'all so they can stop coming in the room.
What's he say?
She's like, I
Scared.
can't.
She said we care, like, period. We
Oh,
don't
I'm
care.
so scared.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm so
Excited.
scared.
Yeah, I ain't scared.
Not you, Mia, if y'all see this video. Oh, why is it like this, y'all? Look.
Cause it burned. It been in the pan.
Is it burned?
Put it right here.
Who wants some water? Who wants some water? Nobody. Bye.
Can you get my water bottle out there?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Got
She go get my water bottle.
y'all.
You did something to this?
Give it to her. Give it to her. I'll go get her one.
I keep thinking what Khaleesi. Don't drink your drink.
Y'all, she's trying to make me poisonous. She's trying to make me, she's trying to replace me with this girl. Shut up. Shut up.
Yeah. The peanuts, we get 1 at a time now.
I'll put
Y'all, next video we'll see who can
I'm
make.
trying. In the morning, y'all want to get breakfast? Y'all want to get McDonald's for breakfast in the morning?
Ooh. Alright, cause I'm a bit.
I don't want. If you stay, you not finna bite me. Cause last time you had those sharp teeth, we got into a fight and then you tried to bite me like a shark. You not finna do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did right here. Cause she got what's going
What shark? I'm not scared of you no more, girl.
on.
I'll kick you in your face now.
Now I'm scratching you. Tell her my nails hurt.
My mouth hurt. Oh, please go get 3 water bottles, please. It's over there by my window, but my mouth is burning. Ooh.
I'll go get one.
Please go get it. Go get 3 of them.
I'll do it because I don't know if y'all trying to poison people or not.
Who?
I don't poison people. Do I poison people?
Nope.
No.
I don't even care, but.
Y'all lock this door.
Lock the door. Lock the door. Okay.
Two times.
Lock the door.
Put this in there.
saying so much, you go, what's wrong, Tinkerbell?
No, because they keep hitting him and they want us to take care of this crop. It's him did by himself. What am I supposed to do? Don't slap me.
Zari, get Zari somebody to wash this. Not Zari. Not your name. Come on, just look out. Right, look at Zari. He laughed.
Sorry, stop.
Why you gotta zoom in? Yeah, I did that.
So y'all, we're gonna say some of y'all with us so we can do, because on the next video we're gonna try not to lie.
Yeah.
Alright, look,
We gotta put it in our mouth.
y'all, this is my cousin too.
What's wrong,
Okay, the video finna end, so let's say bye.